is that? Light work with the bass on the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like the hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
Good morning.
Coronavirus!
Let me just take a sip of this coffee. Oh, caffeine. How's it going? I hope you're all doing very well, keeping safe. I got an email from Monsef, and he's like, dude, your shit's on the way. And I was like, no way. I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't give myself enough time to even like get ready or make myself look presentable on camera. This is exactly how I look like when I get out of bed. What the fuck? It's fucking snowing. What is this shit? I thought it was April.
This is actually ridiculous. Just when we thought spring was here, we're actually experiencing like a 7th or 8th winter at this point. Fucking bullshit.
Let's go get those brakes, boys and girls. I'm really excited, actually. Didn't think I'd actually ever say this for a very long time, but it's getting cold. I'm gonna put on the heater. Whew! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna come back. This car's gonna be coming. The fuck are you doing? People are fucked. Let's go.
The next day.
It's not snowing, but I got my brakes. Gonna install them this weekend.
Later that same evening.
Another cold start for the fams.
Well, you're probably all judging me with the type of brakes I bought. I wanted brakes just before I would get my tune and software from Monsef. So in that case, I would be safe to drive it up and down the street when I get my tune from him. I needed something affordable for the time being and easy to install. So I got slotted and drilled rotors from Auto Shack with some simple pads. What I will probably do is resurface the rotors after this season's done and service the brakes all around and get some Hawk pads or something down the road. I still need to get a new aftermarket deck too, so that's gonna be another expense.
You guys hear that? I forgot I need to get pulleys too.
One eternity later.
Fuck, these are tight.
That's what she said. Wait, does that even make sense?
Very cheap, you know, do the job for now, my friend, until we have the proper break come on next year, my friend.
Oh wow, these brakes look gorgeous. Yo, these brakes look beautiful. Wow.
Let's fucking open this shit up.
Gorgeous.
This one is not very good remedy, but it does the trick, my friend.
Welcome to Hayati Woodworking.
Alright, man. Sick job, man. Thank you for your help, man.
Thanks, bud.
Oh, look. Now it's working. It still feels so strange to me how I'm able to drive this car right now. After all the work we've been putting through with this car, I just didn't think it was able to turn over and get on the road so quickly. So day 3 of having the aftermarket rotors and pads installed on the G35, and I went for a little run, as you guys probably saw in the video previously. They feel great. They grab really sharp and very responsive, and I'm quite happy with it. I've done a lot of accelerating and decelerating tests, and they hold up really well. So I'm quite impressed with how they turned out, and they look absolutely sharp on the car. I know this mod isn't exactly for looks, but the performance is there, and I'm really happy to say that for a pretty good budget, I was able to get brake performance. On another note though, I ended up pricing out some tires for these raised forged wheels, and I was able to get some at a really good price. The drawback of having these rims on the car though will probably upset you as it upset me. I actually purchased a square setup of raised forged rims. These were off of an all-wheel drive car. I thought it was the rear-wheel drive car that I purchased it off of. So that was a little bit of miscommunication on my part. It kind of sucks because they're all 8.5s all around. I'm still gonna use these. Hopefully it'll work out just fine, but I'm hoping maybe do 235s in the front and 255s in the back, as opposed to the 245s in the front and 265s in the back. I really don't want to go out and do much because it's raining and it's like the only warm day of the week, and of course it's raining here, so I'm not gonna really do much with the car today. It's just gonna sit and chill and look pretty. But until next time, thanks for watching.